My name is Emmanuel De Leon. I work with the Agricultural Water Quality Program here at CSU. My title is the Technical Research Lead for the program. Our main mission here at the Agricultural Water Quality Program is to essentially do water quality research and outreach to protect state waters. That does include surface and groundwater. Some of the short-term views that we look at is definitely try to make edge-of-field water quality monitoring more affordable. That entails IoT devices, using 3D printers, as well as using drones to essentially reduce the number of hours that we're out in the field and have a much better view of what's going on the field. Normally, when you want to, let's say you have a 14-acre field and you want to investigate what's happening in the field, you do have to walk it or maybe use some type of vehicle to get in the field to check it out. A drone essentially will allow us to eliminate that. We could spend hours going up and down a field, but with the drone, I could map it within 20 minutes and then right away process it with another 15 minutes and then right away get the information that I need right there at the palm of my hand.
Depending on the parameters that we choose, it gives us limitations on the speed. For example, this field, we're gonna fly at 165 feet in the air, and it's gonna fly at that constant height.
Alex Enriquez has been one of our all-star students here at the AWQP. He's been a pivotal asset to our program as it relates to getting a lot of this drone work done, right? He's presented so much on some of the actual drone research that we've done.
So this ARC project is a research study that I did earlier in the year, and it was taking this TAPS field data and trying to see if I could use multispectral imagery to predict yield. I've been able to learn about technology. Before the Ag Water Quality Program, I didn't know how to solder a PCB board or put these IoT devices together, pilot these bigger drones that process a whole lot of data. I think it's a very unique experience that not a lot of people get. Being able to represent the College of Ag Sciences, it makes me very proud, and definitely being able to get to work with the Ag Water Quality Program as well as the technology that we're involved in and the research. It's something that I feel very lucky to be a part of, and especially the people and just the environment of Colorado State. It's something that's very unique to any other experiences.
I really do love that we get to try new things. We get to explore different research questions as it relates to water quality. We get to bring new technology in the mix, right? We get to implement these new strategies that maybe are not readily available or readily used in the world, and we get to test them out and see if they work. And then another aspect is the students, right? For us to kind of show them hands-on and be here with them in person, we could actually see that growth. And that growth is actually awesome for us to see, right? You can kind of see like a brand new student that's green coming in, and then by the end of the semester, you know, they already know how to do some coding or, you know, do some modeling or fly drones and process the data, right? So they could actually use those skill sets in another job.